Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the monster bunny from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. And now let's draw another circle inside each one. And now let's color the inside ones in black. Now let's add the black around each of the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and back down on top. And now let's close off the bottom of each one with a zigzag line across. And then color both of these sections in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down, over, and then back up. And then hop underneath and let's draw another curve across. Now underneath this one, let's draw a long U shape down. And then from the ends of the top curve, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then connect it at the bottom with a zigzag line across like this. And now let's color the outside section in black. Now let's hop into the middle and let's draw the teeth. Let's start by drawing V shapes at the top for the top row. And now let's do the same thing from the bottom. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve on top. Then let's curve it out and bring it back in underneath. Next, let's hop on top and add the ears. Let's start with an angle up and then curve it out. And the same thing on the right. Then let's curve it back down and in like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then curve both ends up, meeting at a point. And then color both of the insides in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then leave a gap and let's draw a U-shaped curve in the middle. Now on the sides, let's add the arms. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down. And the same on the other side. And then another curve on the inside for the other side of the arms. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumbs. Now from the outside line, let's draw an angle down. And then curve it in and back up for the next finger. Now in between, let's draw another curve for the next finger. And then one more smaller one. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. From the sides of the body, let's draw an angle down and in. And then another set of angles underneath the belly. Now for the feet, let's draw a set of angles out underneath each leg. And then a curve at the bottom. Lastly, inside, let's draw 3 curves for the toes. And that's it for the monster bunny. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!